and the Union Minister for Railways himself is en route Bagdogra. Let's get you a breaking update. Unfortunately, at this time, even during a tragedy, there is politics that is happening. However, let's listen into the reactions that are also coming in. But in the meantime, we also take a look when it comes to the reactions coming on part of other political parties on how they are reacting on this tragedy. Yes, Pati.
Now we had reactions of Netas taking note of what had happened, expressing shock and offering condolence. But now politics on the issue has begun, and Karti Chidambaram has hit out at the Railway Minister. This is his tweet, and quickly going to read that out. It's time Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav stops all vanity and ego projects immediately. Focus should only be on safety and passenger amenities. So Karti Chidambaram saying that the Railway Minister needs to stop vanity and ego projects, and the focus should be on safety of the passengers and the amenities that are being provided. So politics on the issue has begun.
All right, Swati, thanks for that. So we are not looking just reactions coming in on part of Karti Chidambaram. We are looking at reactions coming in from Samajwadi Party and other Congress Party leaders as well. Of course, Adrija, at this point, when this rail accident that has been reported, questions would be raised on security and, of course, going down to the very reason how this accident has happened. Reports are coming in, Adrija, which suggest that the driver may have overshot the signal.
यहाँ मतलब हम लोग जब सुबह की आज तो हम लोग का बकरा ईद है, जब हम लोग नमाज पढ़ के बाहर निकले तो हम लोग को मतलब खबर आया कि हमारे यहाँ 2 किलोमीटर अंदर एक ट्रेन दुर्घटना हुई है। तो हम लोग जो है मतलब इसको तो लाइव नहीं देखा, हम लोग सुना, फिर जगह मतलब जब हम लोग को पता चला फिर हम लोग यहाँ स्पॉट आके अभी देख रहे हैं। ये तो जो है बहुत क्या देख रहे हैं आप, क्या नजर
the people there who have been reacting, of course, with the reactions that have been coming in right now. Adrija, let's understand, because this is a tragedy that has now taken place, but unfortunately, simultaneously, we're also listening and hearing the political reactions as well, questioning when it comes to rail security and safety.
Well, absolutely. You see the questions regarding rail security and safety, takes place, where also at the same time several teams have been deployed and the rescue operation is going on. And at the same time, the Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav, who is en route currently and will be reaching the accident spot shortly. Also, the MP from Darjeeling, Raju Bista, is already at location present, supervising the entire rescue operation that is going on. And at the same time, medical tents being set up, proper medical assistance also being given to people. Ambulances are present in spot. Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee also have taken note of the situation, is monitoring the entire situation. War rooms have been created, help desks have been created, helpline numbers have been released to give proper assistance to the people, so that even the families whose members were traveling in the train, anyone's relatives who were traveling in the train, they can reach out and they can also be connected with these people as soon as possible. It's a very tragic incident that has taken place now in northern part of West Bengal. Of course, there's a possibility that the driver who was driving the goods train, he has also lost his life, but there's a possibility due to bad weather he did not quite pay attention to the signal or the signs that was given, and therefore he crossed the signal. He did not stop, and he kept on moving, and he was at a speed, and the goods train was at a considerable speed, and therefore went and hit the Kanchenjunga Express from behind, resulting in derailment of several compartments, especially the general compartments which are present at the rear part of the train. And of course, very tragic incident happening where 25 to 30 people is being reported injured as of now. Death toll is 5 as of now, but unfortunately this entire numbers are expected to go higher up as and when the rescue operation is proceeds.
All right. In the meantime, we also play out reactions that are coming on part of the opposition side, because even during tragedy, such times that have been witnessed where nearly 5 people have lost their lives, over 25 to 30 who have been injured, they have been politicizing and they have been raising questions on railway security, saying that it has been compromised. Also saying that ever since this new Sarkar that has been formed, there have been accidents that have been reported such as this. But in West Bengal, to your right on the screens, you can see the pictures coming in from inside the war room. We are told that ministers from West Bengal are part of this as far as railway security measures are being looked into and currently being monitored. Let's listen.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.